Fertility. The mother forest. Carefully made. Beams from the sky. Like a perfectly woven basket. She nourishes. She draws her strength from the waters. And in the silence of the night, she replenishes. To love her, you need to know her. To respect her, you need to feel her. To reap her, you need to sustain her. Welcome to Forest. Okay, so why should you care about all these corny, tall, old folks? Now, before we answer that, let us see whether you can be the fastest player.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now, if you like where this is going, hit the like button, subscribe. What are you waiting for? And comment below what you like most about the video. Otherwise, the next video is right here.